Hello, I'm Joel Barquez, and I'm here at Caliuno, and the Ecom here in Caliuno. And I'm very lucky that I'm able to listen to Michael and have given us a lot of insights regarding China suppliers. You know, my family is in a business of printing, so basically our challenge here is to get suppliers, especially paper from China. So currently our status here is that we get paper from the suppliers here in local. So our after this, perhaps we would be able to get suppliers now from China and be able to get connections from there. With the help of course, from the lessons that we've learned from this e-commerce again from Michael. Thank you very much.